Removing a system management sideband cable kit. Remove the tray cover. Unfasten the 30 Phillips No. 1 screws to remove the front and the rear cross braces. If necessary, remove the front E3.S drive cages. Remove the blank filler from the slot installed with the drive cage. Loosen 3 captive screws. Remove the E3.S front drive cage assembly. Remove the 2 screws from the cable retainer. Remove the cable retainer from the drive cage assembly. Disconnect the cables from the drive. Repeat the steps to remove the other front E3.S drive cage. Disconnect the system management sideband cables from the processor boards. Unhook the sideband cables from the cable clips. Disconnect the system management sideband cables from the processor boards. When replacing the sideband cable, remove the ferrite core from the old sideband cable. Open the ferrite core. Remove the ferrite core from the sideband cable. Remove the 3M3PH1 screws from the tray rear bezel. Remove the system management sideband cable kit.